Good morning, class. Let's start our chapter number 1, number system, exercise 1A. Make a register like this and put the date and day and do your work very neatly. Okay, let's start it. Question number 1. Which is greater, 537 or 98? Obviously, 537 is greater, so answer is 537. Question 2 says, which is smaller? 2497 or 2597. Now can you see both of them are having 4 digits? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. On extreme side, leftmost side, 2 is there, here also 2 is here. But here it is 4, the next number is 4, and here the next digit is 5. So which is smaller? 4 na? So this is smaller. So 2497 is the answer. Then similarly, question number 3, which is greater? Now the digits, the number of digits has increased. 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. Let's compare them again. On the leftmost side is 4, here also 4. Then it is 5, here also 5. But here it is 2 and here it is 4. So which is smaller? This is smaller, 2. And therefore which is greater? This is greater. So answer is 45427. Now children, as the number of digits are increasing, so we can take the help of a chart. Okay, by making a suitable chart, compare these two numbers. Now here the number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6, so number is increasing of digits. So I have made this chart. So I have written all the digits in the boxes, and now let us see. First, see the number of digits in both the numbers is same, that is 6. Let's see. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of digits is same. Now see at the leftmost, the first number has digit 5 and the second number has digit 3. Let's see children. Yes, here it is 5 and here it is 3. So since 3 is less than 5, therefore 36998 is less than 540276. I hope this question is clear. Then comes question number 8. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits without repetition. Now very important to read the questions properly children. Here it is saying without repetition. Means you don't have to repeat any digit. Without repetition. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit. How many digits number? This also to be noted down. 4-digit numbers using the given digits, not from your side. Using the given digits without repetition. Don't repeat any digit. Now, while you are forming the greatest number, this short form I've used GN, greatest number. Put the greatest digit at the extreme left. Extreme left means this side, extreme left. Then put the remaining digits in descending order of their values with 0 at the end. Okay, if 0 is there, then you will keep it at the end. Now greatest number. Digits we are given here is 3, 7, 2, 5. Put the greatest digit at the extreme. So which is the greatest one out of them? 7 is the greatest one. So extreme left. Then the remaining digits in descending order. Descending order from bigger to small. Okay. So 7, 5, 3, 2. Then smallest number. Smallest number children. Put the smallest digit other than 0. Put the smallest digit other than 0. 0 you will not keep at the leftmost side. You will not start any number with 0. Other than that, at the extreme left, then put 0 and then the remaining digits in ascending order. Ascending order, small to big. Okay. So smallest number, smallest digit here is 2. So starting from 0, put the remaining digits in ascending order. So 2, 3, 5, 7. I hope this is also clear to you. Now comes question number 10. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits. Note down this thing. Using any 4 different digits. Different. Here the digits were given, but here it is saying different digits with the condition. Condition क्या है? That digit 5 is always at tens place. So we want 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Now condition is that 5 should always be at tens place, in smallest also and greatest also. So greatest number, smallest number. 5 is fixed. Now any other different 3 digits. So for greatest we'll use greatest digits, that is 9, 8 and 7 है ना. And for small number, so we'll use small digits. So 1, 0 and 2. We cannot start any number with 0, that's why we have started with 1 and 0 after that. Okay. Now comes question number 15. Find the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. No digit is given here. He said that sum means plus, addition. Largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit numbers, not, he didn't said repetition or not repetition, nothing he has said na. So largest number will be of 4 digits. Largest number of 4 digits is 9999 and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And sum means plus. So 9999 plus 1000. So you can take the help of a rough column and add it and write down here. Now in homework, children, what you are going to do is question 1 to 16 and question 19 and question 20 and question number 11 in book itself. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day and do your work neatly, class. Thank you.